Hi, today we are going to see how to use Google Translator. First open your browser, then search for translate.google.com. This interface will be visible in your screen. Now, type your text or paste your text that you want to translate. And here you will find your translated text. You can select it what you want to select. Here is many options available for the translated text. If I select Arabic, hi will be converted to Arabic. Here is the hi in Arabic. If I select Irish, hi will be converted to Irish language. Here you can also use detect language. The automatic detector detected the English language. Here is your input language option. You can select the input language and here is the output language of the translator. You can use document option for uploading your document that you want to translate. And here is the website. Type a website address that you want to translate the language. If I want to translate a website to Spanish, click on Spanish. Now type your website address. See, here is the Spanish language. You can see the translator option here. You can change back to original. It will go back to English, and you can also select translation. It will be back to Spanish. This will show you the translation history of your account. You can copy the translated text by click on copy. You can read this translation by click on this icon. You can also share translation by click on share translation option. You can also add star for save the translation. If I saved it, I can see it in saved option. You can remove it by click on again on the star icon. It will be removed. This is all about Google Translate. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.